Hello to all you amazing subscribers and new viewers. Welcome to the Potspoon kitchen. In today's recipe, we are going to be making an amazing recipe for Mexican rice and beans. Before we begin adding the ingredients, key things to note: the rice must be washed 2 to 3 times. That's very important. So to the pot, I am adding 2 tablespoons of olive oil. And this is homemade chili oil, and I'm adding 1 teaspoon of chili oil. This will give the recipe loads and loads of flavor. And now we're gonna go in with 3 tablespoons of chopped garlic, and we just want to warm the garlic through. 1 cup of chopped onion, and a Mexican rice is very aromatic, but Mexican rice is absolutely delicious, and that's one of my favorite international cuisine rice. I'm adding some cumin. This is 1 teaspoon of cumin. And cumin is very essential when making Mexican rice. I'm adding 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika. One cup of red bell pepper. Half cup of yellow bell pepper. 3/4 cup of orange bell pepper, or you can add green and orange. You want to get the color, as you can see in the introduction. We're adding 1 cup of corn kernels. And Mexico is a place where corn is known. Corn tortillas, Mexican street corn, and a lot of other Mexican corn recipes. We're gonna add 3 cups of long grain rice that has been washed. And we're going to turn the rice up and flavor it with all the aromatics. As you can see, the color is already amazing. One cup of salsa, or if you don't have salsa, you can use strained tomatoes, but salsa has much more flavor and there's a kick of heat in it. Three cups of chicken stock or vegetable broth, whichever you prefer. 2 cups of washed beans. These are kidney beans. You can use pinto beans or black beans, but you have to make sure that the beans are washed before you add it in. So you can give them a quick rinse and drain off the water, and you could add it to the beans after. Isn't this amazing? If you look at the rice, it's very beautiful. 1 teaspoon and a half of sea salt, 1 tablespoon of butter. This is to make sure that we have some nice single grained rice, although we put oil in here already. And we're going to cover this and cook it for 15 minutes. And this should be ready. And we're going to turn the stove off. And we're going to add half of a cup of green onions in here. And 1 cup of chopped cilantro. While I am doing this, please take a moment to hit that subscription button as it is free and it will help me to create some more amazing content. We have one last step before the rice is complete. I'm going to cover this back and have it infuse for another 4 minutes. And I like to put another batch of cilantro in there. And this is ready. And here you have it, an amazing taste of Mexico. Thank you for joining. See you on another good day for another great recipe.